So here we have the string bean right over here, the scallion, carrot, and our sweet pepper. That's it right there. Yes, it's tasting time.
Welcome. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Posha Malcolm.
So this is the bag of spinach that I carried up from Jamaica that we saw in the unfolded video when we went to my dad. So there were about probably 2 packs, and this is the last of the pack. I'm going to cook it. First I'm going to cook spinach all the time. Someone cook it for me, but now I'm going to cook it. We'll see how I do. All right. So I have washed the spinach and I'm going to let it drain for a little while to get some of the water out, and then I'm going to cut my vegetables up. We are going to begin by cutting the sweet pepper. Then I'm going to cut the carrots, then the string beans, and then we'll do some tomatoes. Ready. So here we have the string bean right over here, the scallion, carrot, and our sweet pepper. That's it right there. Now I'm going to do the tomatoes, and I have a pepper. Yes, I have a pepper that I'm going to cook as well with everything. We are doing spinach stir fry, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. First time cooking spinach. Here we have the tomatoes, and then we have, yes, the pepper. I think I should have just let it be whole and let the flavor of the pepper marinate inside of the pot when I'm cooking. But I've cut it up in little pieces, but I'm thinking after cutting it that I should have just let it be whole. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So I'm going to use this skillet that I have to cook, to stir fry the spinach. I marinated the spinach leaves with some olive oil and salt. Now I'm going to put olive oil in the pot. And this is for the vegetables that I'll be cooking before the spinach. The spinach will go in last. So that's some garlic and some herb like bay leaf and some other herbs. So just, letting them stir fry a bit, and then we're going to put in the other items. So we are putting in the scallion. These are super big. We're going to stir fry them, and then we're going to put in the carrots. So we are putting in the carrots and also the sweet pepper. Yeah, so we're just going to keep stir frying it until it have a little consistency of it being almost done, tender. You want it to have not a hard taste, but not too soft. So I'm going to continue to stir fry. So I've added a little salt because the carrot can be very fresh, but not a lot. So I've got it at a consistency that I like, and I'm going to apply the string bean so that everything can cook at the right time. So I've put the onion and the string bean, and now I'm going to stir fry all of that. I'm going to also put a little coconut oil in this one. At this time, I'm going to put some coconut oil, then I'm just going to stir fry. And after, I put the tomatoes, and then I put the spinach, and we are all done. Let me know what you think about it so far. For me, it's colorful. It has green, it has purple, it has white, it has orange, and then I'm going to put the tomatoes that have red. So let me know what you think so far about this stir fry. As I said, I'm cooking spinach, and I'm cooking it for the first time, and these are all the things I'm putting into it. So I'm going to put in the tomato now. So I'm going to stir fry it, and then we'll take it from there. So there we have the tomato all over in the stir fry. We have the onion, the tomatoes, the string bean, two colors, white and green, and we also have the what we call the carrot. Yes, the carrot, and we have the scallion in there. All right, so that's where we're at. We're going to put the spinach in there shortly. Just giving the tomato a little time to cook because the spinach doesn't take long to cook. So I've added the spinach, and I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to, get it into the groove of the vegetables and see what happens. So I'm going to continue to stir fry it. At this time, it's going to have a lot of liquid, so I turn the flame up a little bit more, and I'm just going to keep stir frying it. So it's looking good. I'm going to answer my phone. So this is it, guys. I'm going to turn off the stove and let the heat do the rest. So that's how it looked. Let me know. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. So I'm gonna, when ready, I'm boiling some yam. So when the yam is ready, we're gonna taste. Alright. There we have the yam boiling. Ooh. Boiling.
With Posha's quick reorder feature, my cart is already filled in a click.
Okay, now women's 100 meters.
So that is it, and I'm going to taste. Yes, it's tasting time. I like that. I can literally taste the spinach and everything else. It's not salty. And I can taste the yam. Soft and nice. Not too soft. Just the way I like it. Well cooked. Everything is good. So thank you for joining me today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up yourself. And thanks everyone for watching thus far. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful evening. Take care until the next time.
You almost can't say that. She's incredibly fast still. Now, Clayton.
Pass on Russell. Her first mate since the Olympics.